Let me tell you a little story about how I got a free deadbolt and why I'm removing it. So I was at my friend's house one day and I seen a box with a bunch of deadbolts in the box. And I asked him about it. Each box had a missing piece, and he said if I could put them all together, I could have it, and I could have a working deadbolt. So that's what I did. I brought it home and I took a piece out of each box and I put together one working deadbolt. And because they were different deadbolts put together, the colors didn't quite match. There was gold on the outside, and then there was silver on the inside. And then I had to use the lock mechanism from one of my old deadbolts. So that was silver, so there was actually gold and silver on the outside. And that deadbolt worked great for years, but now it's chewing up a lot of batteries. So I found a new one. I found a new one at Home Depot on the clearance rack for $50. Since it's a touchscreen deadbolt, I thought that was pretty sweet. So I'm going to remove that old deadbolt and replace it with a new one, because the old one is constantly chewing up batteries. I could replace the batteries twice in 1 month. So I think it's just wore out, tired, and it's time for a new one.